Hi, my name is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely pop-up card using the Everyday Thanks stamp set. Really, really versatile, and I love it. Sorry about that. Here are the items that you're going to need. A card base 4.5 by 11, scored at 5.5. I use pecan pie here. A piece of DSP that measures 6 by 6. I use the one horse open sleigh. So this side is lovely, but I like this side for the pop-up. A piece of petal pink that measures 1.5 by 3. And then a thanks that I already stamped with the stamp here and punched it out with the double oval that I'll use in a bit. So let's get started. We're going to fold along the score line at 5.5 here, burnish it with my bone folder, and then let's do the fun pop-up folding. 3 folds, that's all you need. Determine which side is the one that you want to show. This side is the one that you want to show. So this is the side that I want to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it this way. I know it's pretty on the side too. So the part that shows is folded diagonally. Then I'm going to open it and flip it over. Actually, open it this way. And then because this is a mountain fold, I'm going to do the other 2 folds the opposite. And I'll show you what that means. So horizontal, flip it 90 degrees, horizontal again. So basically you have the horizontal, the vertical, and then the diagonal. And my trick is 2 index fingers in the diagonal part and push it toward themselves until you get your square. And that's the pop-up part. So I'm going to break out my Stampin' Seal. I'll put a little T on the top to remind me to put it on there. And then I'm just going to put some adhesive around the perimeter. That's kind of my design of adhesive, so I don't have to use it all. Put it toward the fold that you already created and center it, but don't touch the fold. So give it room for it to, let's see if I can do this there. Then I'm going to close the card, flip it over, and do the same here, and close it. Then I'm going to break out the pecan pie and the band-aid. I'm going to start in the middle where I want the focal point of the band-aid, and then the rest I'm just going to randomly stamp along the front until I fill it all up. Keep going. I think I can fit one more here. There. Then I already stamped it on this one here, and then I'm going to use my Real Red blend to just do the heart. I thought that would be cute. Grab my snips, quickly fussy cut to this, and this is just for fun, just to highlight one of the band-aids that you stamped, just to highlight on the front of the card. Pretty simple. You can use any color. I just chose petal pink for that. Grab some dimensionals. Centered on there. I already put the dimensionals on the thanks. Oops. That release paper is sticking to me. Go ahead and put it here. And then the last thing, I brought the stethoscope out, and just for fun, I thought it'd be cool to just stamp right here so you can still write on the bottom of the card. And that's it. Quick and easy, fun fold. The T back on there. So thanks. And then plenty of room to write your note or sentiment. So if you'd like this video and like to see more, please like, comment, or share on my YouTube channel. You can find it with Sharing It With You. That's the whole title of my YouTube channel. I so appreciate you joining me, and have a great day. Bye.